Hi, my name is Ashton. I am the head of ops of Babylon Vertical Farms, and today we are in the Garage KL, our office, and this is Cooking with Farmers. We already got things started for you guys. We have eggs boiling on the stove because it's gonna take too long, so we're gonna just make things easier for you. For our ingredients, we have butter. It's already melted because it's really hot today, but it's alright, it makes our work easier. Wholemeal bread is the best option because it is low GI, hence it's super healthy. Tomatoes, mayonnaise, some paprika for a bit of some heat, pepper and salt for seasoning. Our star of the show, Kale Microgreens. Also, the other star of our show, our baby kale. So now our eggs could be done any time now. We're just waiting the timer to go off. Should be about now. Perfect. And drop it in cold water to just let it cool down so it's easier for you to, peel the eggs and deshell it. When you're peeling off your eggs, you don't peel off too much egg and less shell. Okay, so we are done boiling the eggs. We already cracked the eggs and peeled it, so we have it like this. We made it softball style because trust me, it's better. It's creamier, it's smoother. You will enjoy it. So for 4 eggs over here, I will usually just put like a tablespoon. It's more than enough. Just estimate it. You don't need to be so accurate. Put that in down. A pinch of paprika all around. Some salt for some flavor, some taste, some seasoning, as well as some black pepper. Now from here, use your fork, mash it down. Mash it down, mash it down, mash it down. I'll lift up the bowl to make things easier. It's a better grip for me. Mash it down, stir. Like keep mashing it until the egg yolks incorporate with the nice creamy egg whites, and then you'll see it all come together. I mean, after all, who doesn't like sloppy sandwiches, am I right? So, let's keep it there. And you can do things according to your taste. If you like it spicier, you can add a bit more paprika. If you like it less spicy, you can even ditch the paprika if you want and just go for salt and pepper. And if you like it a bit sweet as well, you can throw in sugar, but usually I think the sweetness is fine because the mayonnaise is equally as sweet. So it's not really that necessary. I prefer it a bit more pepper, so I'm going to add a bit more pepper and paprika as well. Because I like the nice bright red color. It makes the dish look a little bit more interesting. Maybe some seasoning. Alright. So the flavor is all according to your taste. There's no specifications and all that. You gotta play around with it and see what suits you. I like strong flavors personally because I'm Malaysian, and all our food is generally very strong in flavor. So nice. And then voila, you got this nice gooey mix over here. So we're gonna put this aside. We got the bread's already been buttered. We're gonna add our beautiful baby kale right here. Just for that little greens, for the nutrients. Honestly, I prefer to start my morning with this, It's balanced, there's some greens, there's protein, there's fats, there's carbohydrates, it's just a nice balanced meal over there. It's good for any time. You can have it for dinner. I mean, who doesn't like breakfast for dinner? You can have dinner, you can have it for dinner, you can have it for lunch, you can have it as a snack, anytime you want. Add some tomatoes. I mean, for a sandwich, tomatoes do complete it. Then you take your beautiful egg mixture. Look at that, nice and gooey. Just top it right up. Slowly spread it out. Nice and evenly. And easy. Okay, put this down. Now, take your scissors. Give a little haircut for the top. And just gently sprinkle it on top, like this. All over your sandwich. You can be generous with it if you want. You can add a little bit more, you can add you can add more, you can add less, it's up to you. But the reason why we put microgreens is because it is nutrient packed. It's full of vitamin C, it's high in antioxidants. It's good for people who are sick, you know, they're recovering, this is the food I recommend for them. Top it up with a bit of seasoning at the top. Take your bread. Top. Paprika just dust the side. So imagine I take my knife, I'm going to cut this sandwich right in half. Absolutely delicious. You have a nice crunch of all the baby kale and the salad leaves. And the microgreens add a really bit complex flavor. Especially kale microgreens, it has a nice hint of mushrooms and mustard. It's absolutely delicious. It adds a whole new dimension to it.